Boston Harbor buzzes with activity as ships arrive from England, their holds full of goods. Crispus Attucks toils as a dock worker, his eyes reflecting both strength and simmering defiance. British soldiers patrol, their presence fueling the colonists' growing resentment. The air vibrates with the murmur of discontent, each word a spark in the tinder of revolution. The tavern buzzes with restless energy as colonists, their faces lit by candlelight, engage in fervent political debate. Crispus Attucks, a figure of quiet intensity, stands at the periphery, absorbing every word with a focused gaze. He steps forward, his voice cutting through the noise as he passionately defends the cause of freedom and resistance. The air crackles with anticipation, a storm of discontent brewing as the colonists' frustration reaches a fever pitch. British soldiers patrol Boston's streets, their red coats, a stark symbol of occupation. Crispus Attucks observes from the side, his face hardening at the soldiers' harassment of the locals. Each act of intimidation fuels his growing resentment towards British rule. Dim candlelight dances across faces in the clandestine meeting, casting long shadows that amplify the tension. Crispus Attucks urges, "We must stand firm against these unjust acts, but let our resistance be peaceful. Violence will only breed more violence," he declares. "Liberty and justice are not privileges to be granted, but rights to be defended." Under the cloak of night, a sea of colonists gathers, their faces lit by the dance of torchlight. British soldiers stand as silent sentinels, muskets ready, their faces betraying nothing. The crowd surges, a chorus of voices rising in defiance against the night. Crispus Attucks emerges from the throng, his voice cutting through the unrest. "Let us stand our ground, but let us not resort to violence. We seek justice, not bloodshed." On King Street, a frigid night amplifies the colonists' taunts against the stoic British soldiers. The air explodes with gunfire, tearing through the night's tense calm. Crispus Attucks collapses, the first to fall amidst the chaos. Screams erupt as the crowd dissolves into a frenzy of fear and rage. The courtroom is thick with tension as John Adams stands to address the jury, his voice promising a turning point. British soldiers sit, anxiety etched deeply into their faces. The image of Crispus Attucks looms, a martyr whose sacrifice ignites the flames of revolution. Under a somber sky, colonists gather on Boston Common, their faces reflecting a shared grief and unyielding resolve. The air vibrates with unspoken determination as they honor Crispus Attucks and the fallen, each heart a crucible of defiance. The seeds of revolution take root, nurtured by sorrow and watered with the unwavering spirit of resistance.